So in a few minutes, I'm going downstairs and I'm doing the viral TikTok dog art challenge. A little late to this game by a couple of years, but I have this laid out. I accidentally did some of her work for her. But yeah, I'm about to see my family and my parents' dog, Jolene, the standard poodle, and that'll be fun. I'll show you all the results.
So this is me just prepping the canvas. Nothing too difficult. You just splotch on colors. In this case, I did it kind of at random. In the next couple of ones I'll do after this, it makes a little bit more sense. But I tried to include all the primary colors.
Jolene, hi! Hi, Jolene! Hi, Jolene! Hi, Jolene! I have a special project for you later. Jolene? Jolene?
So we tried this at a restaurant. That may not work as well because she was in unfamiliar territory, but my parents were visiting with her, so we had what we had, which did not include cheese whiz or peanut butter or anything. So this didn't smear as well as I would have liked.
So that was a disaster, but
In terms of dog art, seeing my family was great. I just wanted to point that out.
to be fair, we could have given her easy cheese or something, not just treats, or we could have ground up the treats. So this is what it looks like before I take it out of the bag. And I'm not going to give her credit for it because she didn't do anything. It was mostly the bag. And the driver around North Hills certainly did it. Finding a parking spot there is, ugh. Anyway, but it's cute so far. I'm going to keep it anyway, and we'll try this again in April when I visit. Here she is. She was so disturbed I had to go outside and move the car for the yard guys. Weren't you so disturbed, Jojo? Weren't you so disturbed? It's like my sissy. She can't have to leave. I just came here yesterday. She's been glued to me. Yes, you're a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Hi. Say hi, Jolene. Say hi. She's camera shy.
So here I am prepping the next two canvases. I tried to make the color make a little bit more sense with more blue tones on one side and red tones on the other.
See, we have our colors. Now to put them in plastic bags and see what our artist has to offer. All right, I'm going to let her do two at once. They're already a little smushed from the bag, but not anywhere near as bad as last time. And I am just pressing this down, hoping we didn't run out of easy cheese. We did! Oh no! I'm letting her do two at a time. She's a large dog. She can handle it. All right, so I'm going to take a knife, spread that around. She's already getting a little desperate. She might start begging while we're here. I'm trying to spread it around in a way to where cheese gets everywhere, but I'm not influencing the picture yet. Yeah, yard guys, sorry. They're making a little bit of noise, but it's okay. I'm going to voice over most of this anyways. Whoop. Yeah, this easy cheese is on his last day. They run through it, though. The thing is, the dog is so noisy in the car. I'm doing this one-handed, I'm sorry. She's so noisy in the car that we have to give her her lick mat. There we go. Doop. Doop. Let's see which one she goes for first. That one. Avant-garde with the red. She's like, why are you staring at me, you weirdo? Jolene, don't you like easy cheese? Cheese! It's a treat! For you! A treat! There we go, now she's getting into it. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you are. You are good. More yummers. Good girl, Jolene. She got over her confusion real fast. Is that one done? What a talented artist. What a talented little artist you are. Good girl. Are you done? She's half on her bed, half off. Hi. Yes. Are you done, Jolene? Good girl. Good girl, Jolene. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you're a good doggy. Would you like a salmon treat now? Salmon? Yeah, you want your favorite now, don't you?
I spoil her. Anyway, here are the art in the bag. You could just see me taking them out so that I can give them time to dry before I drive back to Raleigh. Sorry, I didn't bring a tripod on this trip. I forgot. So you could see me trying to open it one-handed. And there you go. It's not bad. And there's the red one. As you can see, they're not as interesting as the last one, but they're good.
And here they are on my wall, all finished. This was the one she did last month. I just added some words and things to it. And the right and left are the ones that she did when I was visiting in Greenville.
So here's a close-up of the one that she did when they were visiting me in Raleigh. I just added a few words and painted some little birds on there because she's obsessed with birds and I thought it was funny. And the words, I would have filmed that, but I thought I was going to use my bills to cut up and tape on there, but they were too small. By the way, bills that were ready to be shredded, not active bills. Um, but yeah, this is the first one that she did. I'm actually happy with all three of them. I love them. So with that having been said, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy dog painting!